Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, it will bring you more clients. So, first things first, let's start with your website. I have it here on the screen, and one of the first suggestions that I'm going to give it to you is to add more relevant content. In this case, when I say content, I'm not just talking about images or the icons. I'm talking more about the text on your website, especially here on the homepage. You may ask yourself, why is this important? Well, when you add text, and it's considered content, of course, you need to make sure that you are adding keywords that you want to be found for. For example, I see that you have services, for example, HVAC services in PA or Delaware, things like that. When you do that, you're telling Google, because when they analyze your website, they read through all the website that you have here, everything that is readable as text, they read through all of that. So when you add this information, you're actually telling them that you provide HVAC services or maybe one of your services in specific areas, in this case, Pennsylvania and Delaware. Same thing can be for AC services, for example, air conditioning installation, AC maintenance, things like that. You need to add those keywords if they have search value. I mean, we're going to talk about that in a few seconds. So you can actually have people that are looking for those type of services landing on your page. So um, very important to understand keywords with relevant content are one of the most important things in a website. That being said, I'm going to show you some numbers. And before I move on, the concept of adding content into your website, it applies to all those sub pages as well. So for example, let's see what you have here, heating installations. Um, Even though you seem to have content here, have a lot of information, you need to add relevant keywords so Google can actually understand what you're trying to tell the web about your business or about the services that you provide. So that being said, I'm going to show you some numbers. I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So based on that, you're being found for 481 keywords, and you have around 572 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same thing happens here with backlinks, but the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and dozens of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you should have here, based on the content that you should be having, um, you're not going to see the result that you might be hoping to get, and even worse, your rating is not going to go up. So that being said, let's take a look and see what kind of keywords are you being found for based on your content. So you can see that around 449 are just pointing to the United States, but then you have 8 going to India, 6 to Canada, 5 to Iraq, and there's more over here. But this happens because the links that you have, they're probably spam links or not really good quality. So that's why you have these different countries that you're pointing keywords. But we can see here that you're targeting, of course, for your brand name, Ferro Oil, and you're ranking number 1, of course. But is this bringing your clients? Who knows? I mean, you're the only one that should know that. But PA heating oil delivery, this might be one of the keywords that is bringing you clients. There's 300 searches a month, but you're ranking number 2, so you're getting 45 visits straight to this sub page over here. That means that you have 45 chances of getting new customers for this specific keyword. But other than that, I don't see anything relevant. For example, home heating oil companies in PA, there's only 10 searches a month. and you're ranking number 4. So you're getting one visit, which is very minimum. Again, if nobody did a research on the keywords that you should be targeting or the keywords that would have more volume, you have more possibilities to target, so you can increase your business. That's probably one of the reasons that there's nothing really relevant here. Even if I try to sort this into positions, so you can see you're ranking number 1 for your branding name, which is perfect. But then we go from 1 to second position to 4th position, and this is not bringing you anything really relevant. This one over here, heating oil company, Wilmington, Delaware, 100 searches a month because you're ranking number 5, you're getting 8 visits. But other than that, you can see here all companies in Delaware County, PA, 20 searches a month, you're ranking number 7, and you're not getting anything for that. Other than that, there's nothing really relevant that actually can give you more value. But for the purpose of the video, I went on Google and type HVAC Philadelphia because we're really close to Philadelphia, probably like half an hour away. So, and this is a very common keyword. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But the first thing you can see here, this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there, of course. Then you have your traditional Google ads. We all know this, so every time we get charged every time somebody clicks on your ad. Then we have the map section, and this is based on your location. So if you would be in Philadelphia, you could definitely appear here. But in this case, I think you're based, where is it? Goodwin, PA. So again, that's like 25, half an hour from Philadelphia. Your profile, in order for you to be in these top 3 for whoever is searching for the type of services that you provide, your profile needs to be optimized. Again, you need to have relevant content, optimized images, and of course, if you have reviews, you need to reply to those reviews. Even if they're 4 stars or 1 star, you need to reply to those reviews because that's one of the things that Google loves to see. Then we have the organic results, and on number 1, we have this Daniel's HVACPhiladelphia.com. Then we're at number 2, Angie, which is a directory. Number 3, we got these guys, HVACphilly.com. And just for your reference, almost 70% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top 3 in the map section or the top 3 in the organic results. That means that they don't scroll down all the way to the end of the page, not even go to the second or third page. So being in these top positions makes a huge difference. So let's take a look and see why these guys are ranking number 1. If we open their website, you can see that even though they don't have that much of content, they're probably just targeting the keywords properly. Air conditioning service in Philadelphia, that may be one of the keywords. But again, they don't have that much, and this can play in your favor because if you optimize your content, you can definitely start appearing for this specific keyword, which is HVAC Philadelphia. If we look at the numbers on their website, they're being found for 869 keywords, and they have over 2,600 backlinks. And this is what I was telling you. It's about the quality, not the quantity, because they have a lot of links, and their rating is really low. So it's probably not really good quality links. But let's take a look and see the keywords they're being found for really quick. And this one, for example, the one that we just did, HVAC Philadelphia, there's 800 searches a month, and because of ranking number 1, they're getting 199 visits straight to their website. That's, again, to me, that's 199 chances for them to get new clients every month, which is quite a lot. HVAC Philadelphia PA, that's 80 searches a month because of ranking, again, number 1, they're getting another 28 visits on top of this 199. But again, you can see this, they're targeting different keywords. HVAC Repair Philadelphia, 200 searches a month. And because of ranking number 4, they're getting another 17. So you do the math, and only on these 3 keywords, they're actually bringing, in my opinion, more valuable possible customers than the ones that you're trying to target over here. So, what you need to do, you need to improve your content, you need to add those relevant keywords, and you need to have really good quality links. Because if you don't, you're not going to be popular in the eyes of Google, and you are probably going to be missing a lot of good opportunities to increase your business. That being said, I won't take too much of the time. I really hope you find this information useful. Once again, my name is Alex, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.